Greetings. Oops. Hi, greetings there, friends. Greetings. Well, welcome to today's Slash Your Stress guided meditation. We're in for a treat today. We're in for a treat. You're going to love this one. It's bank holiday, most places. And one of the things I remember when my children were younger, and even sometimes nowadays, it can be, bank holidays can be a time of stress for families. Because like during the week, you spend a lot of time just running around doing your thing, busy at work, busy at home. And then sometimes when it comes to the weekend, you've all got different needs and expectations for a bank holiday. And it can be quite stressful, particularly if you really want to spend time to nurture and to nourish your relationships. So I'm going to share with you today, it's a slightly different type of meditation. Thanks for watching. I can't see who's watching, so I really hope it's my dear friend Donbassa. I really hope so. I'm going to share with you, it's a mantra. If you're familiar with mantra meditation, you'll instantly recognise the power of doing this meditation. If you're not, or if you're a bit kind of like, oh God, here we go, mantra, what you talking about, meditation, just keep an open mind. Hold in your heart the fact that you want to have a closer relationship with your partner, your child, your spouse, whoever. Just hold that in your heart. And what we're going to do, there's a form of yoga stroke meditation called Bhakti Yoga, and that's where we do like prayers and devotional worship. And what we're going to do, we're going to hold someone in your heart, and you're going to say their name. I've adapted it from a traditional mantra. You're going to hold that person's name and you're going to say their name to this particular tune. And what you'll notice, the more you say that person's name, the more you're going to raise the energy. You're going to just feel a sense of connection, a sense of love, a sense of peace and understanding. And you'll be honouring the person. And if you've got a young child, just doing this particular mantra with your child, they'll love it. It's incredible. Okay, that's kind of like the backdrop. And for the particular mantra, you've got just two words. You're going to say the person's name and Ma. Yeah. So, like for instance, my name's Ntathu Ma, Donbassa Ma, Shola Ma, Malika Ma. I'm going to just say their name. And when you say someone's name and you say it with love, devotion and a desire to commit to that person, it just raises your energy. It does something. Just give it a go. So this is a tune, and it's adapted from Kali Ma, traditional kind of yogi mantra. So I'm going to say, what name? I'm going to call my eldest daughter. I'm just going to say her name. Her name's Hasina Ma. And I'm going to just hold in my heart. I'm going to just chant this song to her. And whilst I'm doing it, hold in your heart someone who's dear to you, and just substitute like Hasina for your person's name. Just give it a go. Let's go. Okay. So as usual, anytime you come to meditate, make sure you feel comfortable. Lengthen the spine. Tuck your chin in. Relax your heart. And find that place of calm and love inside. Okay. So this particular mantra is dedicated to my eldest daughter, Hasina. And then I'm just going to call out other names as I do it. And please feel free to join in and just hold your heart, your person in your heart. Okay. So Hasina, 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 Namaha. Hey Malika, 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 Namaha. Hi Katie, this is going to be dedicated to you. Hey Katie, 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 Namaha. I know Ombassa's watching. Hey Ombassa, 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 hey Ombassa. And if you're watching this, if you just type in the name of someone, one of your loved ones, and we can sing and chant and really honour that person, really big them up, you know, inspire them with confidence, with love and strength, just so they can go through their life journey. So I'm just going to go through my final daughter, my other daughter, Jamila. Hey Jamila, 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 hey Jamila. Hey Katie, 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 Namaha. Hey Jenny, 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 Namaha. And I'm going to just do a final verse for a dear friend Kelly. She's training to become a yoga teacher, and she passed one of her modules recently. So this is, again, we're just honouring that person. If your child has trouble going to sleep, or they're kind of like wanting more attention and you don't feel able to give it to them, set aside your issues and just literally, you know, pick your child up, put them on your lap, or if they're too old for that, and just say their name to any tune. But really just say it between like to Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, you know. Katie, 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 Katie. It's not so much the song, it's the love, the devotion. It's back to yoga. It's the love and devotion, and it's honouring that person's name. And you know, when someone calls your name, it's an honour. We've been given this name by the Creator, by your parents. And when you call that name, it's an honour. So when we do this particular chant, we're really honouring and holding that person in your heart. And I'm going to do this one for Kelly. Hey Kelly, 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 Namaha. Michelle! Hey Michelle, 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 Namaha. So when your children come home from school, pick them up and just say, you know, chant their names to their favourite tune, and it'll just make them feel really loved. They'll really sense that love, that care, that connection from your heart through to theirs. Okay, so let's just take a moment to come together. Hold your loved ones in your heart, particularly if you're caring for elders, if you're caring for your parent. If you're growing your own business, that in itself is a baby, just growing your own business. And just hold loved ones, friends, family in your heart and wish them well. Wish them strength, wish them grace, wish them peace. And most of all, wish that you can be the person to hold the family, to strengthen the community, to energise the family. And that comes by taking time to care, to energise and love yourself. So dear friends, thank you for watching today's Facebook Live. It's been a week. I'm going to continue doing them, 5 o'clock live over here. And again, just to let you know, I have got a very special offer. It's a free relaxation video, and it's really great to help you release that build-up of stress. You can do it on the way home from work, so that when you actually get home, when you're with your children, you're present, you're able to give them the attention they want because you've given it to yourself. So somewhere, I'll check out the link. There'll be a link to this video. Check on it and sign up. So thanks for your time. I really appreciate you taking your time to be present. And just remember, say your child's name and your name. Namaste. Cheers. Thank you. Pause. Thank you. Take care. Have a great weekend. Bye now. Thank you for watching. Bye.